Passivative metal. Very often we heard iron rusting, and students will think about how about those above iron, those more reactive metal, would they rust? They all rust. But iron, how come we heard iron rust more often than the other? One reason, iron rusting in a very ugly manner that I'm going to show below. If you have the iron against passivative metal, let's see how's iron rusting. Here, a piece of iron surrounded by oxygen, and the oxygen will start attacking the metal like this. Now, once they peel off the first layer, the oxygen will go deeper in. And now, the oxygen will start attacking the second layer. Oxygen, when they attack iron, they will peel off the top layer to rust first, and then peel off the second layer, and then peel off the third layer, the fourth layer, layer by layer by layer, until it rusts to the core. That's how iron rusts. Now let's look onto another picture, passivative metal. When oxygen around zinc, a passivative metal, it will attack the zinc metal and it forms into a layer. And once they form into a layer, they form into a film of very strong layer. And this layer are non-porous. That means it have no hole. And when further oxygen want to go in to attack, it cannot penetrate this new zinc oxide layer, and it will just bounce off. So in the other word, it forms into a protective layer. So they form this passivative metal, they form into an oxide layer, which is impervious and which prevents further oxygen to attack and stop the corrosion. So in the standard reduction potential table, indicate those metals. Iron in the middle. Some passivative metal which is above the iron, they are passivative. That means they form an oxide layer and will stop the rusting. And below iron, nickel and tin, they also form an oxide layer which will stop rusting, that they form a stable oxide layer. But the ones on the above, they have another additional advantage. They can act as a sacrificial anode, like aluminium or zinc, as we on galvanized iron. They can act as a sacrificial anode as well as passivative metal. But below nickel or tin, they don't have this sacrificial anode effect.